Be resilience in motion, even when you feel as if you have received more than your portion of trials and temptations. The voice of pain may be loud. However, the voice of healing is louder. May sad face you displayed, relinquish themselves out of life's long-term arrangements. Pluck the chords of your destination. Dance on the soil of determination. Then hum the tune of completion. Rare may be the voice of those who cheer for you. Make your presence dense and wax yourself with commitment, because sometimes you are your only source of strength. Stay mentally pruned and be glued to rooms of improvement.